Windows 12 might just be the biggest update in Microsoft's history, packed with next-gen AI, sleek redesigns, and some serious hardware requirements. But when is it actually coming? What's new? And why is Microsoft staying so quiet? Let's break down everything you need to know about Windows 12, from leaked features to expected release dates and everything in between. When is Windows 12 coming? So let's address the biggest question. When is Windows 12 releasing? According to leaks and insider sources, Windows 12 was initially expected to launch around late 2024 or early 2025, but Microsoft hasn't officially confirmed that yet. In fact, HP recently hinted at a major update coming in October 2024 called Windows 11 24 H2, which suggests Windows 12 might drop shortly after that, or even be pushed to 2025 or 2026. So yes, there's a chance Windows 12 could arrive after GTA 6. Let that sink in. Microsoft planning. Windows 12? Microsoft hasn't officially announced Windows 12, but all signs point to something big in the works. Insider builds on the Canary channel are showing experimental features that don't belong to Windows 11, including deeper AI integration and UI changes. Many believe this is Microsoft quietly laying the foundation for Windows 12, possibly under the codename Hudson Valley. Why Windows 11 isn't enough. So why not just keep upgrading Windows 11? Well, Windows 11 still feels incomplete for many users. It's modern, yes, but also inconsistent, buggy on older hardware, and not fully optimized. Microsoft likely realized that instead of patching up Windows 11 forever, they need a fresh, AI-driven, future-ready OS. And that's where Windows 12 comes in. Fan-made designs of Windows 12. While Microsoft stays silent, the fan community is not. You'll find Windows 12 concepts with floating taskbars, dynamic widgets, glass-style UIs, and even macOS-style docks at the top of the screen. These concepts look sleek, modern, and miles ahead of Windows 11, making people even more excited for what's coming. System requirements and hardware. Get ready, because Windows 12 isn't for old PCs. Expected requirements: 8 GB RAM minimum, 64 GB storage, but SSD might be mandatory. TPM 2.0, secure boot, a CPU released in 2018 or later. To support hardware-accelerated security like VBS, and for full AI features, you'll need an NPU, neural processing unit, found in newer chips like Intel Core Ultra. That means your current laptop might run Windows 12, but to get the full experience, you'll need newer hardware. Exclusive features in Windows 12. AI Copilot built into the core of Windows, not just the sidebar. Smarter file search, settings suggestions, and personalization. Redesigned desktop experience with adaptive layouts. Possible cloud-based desktop profiles. Faster, modular update system. New privacy and security features integrated at the hardware level. Could Windows 12 release in 2026? If Microsoft doesn't make a move in 2025, there's a very real chance Windows 12 launches in 2026. And honestly, that might be a smart move. Waiting for NPU-powered laptops to become mainstream, polishing features, and making the OS as bug-free as possible, it could avoid another rushed launch like Windows 11 had. And let's face it, 2026 is the perfect year to release something this massive, especially if it's paired with AI-first hardware. Oh, here's the real question. Will Windows 12 come out before GTA 6? Nobody knows for sure, but both are shaping up to be game changers in their own world. Until then, stay tuned, subscribe for the latest tech leaks, and comment below. Would you upgrade to Windows 12 or stick with Windows 11 for now?